everyone, welcome back to Makayla's Playground again. Today this is a new science experiment. So we're going to pretend to make juice. So let's do the first one.
You got it?
Okay, good. I can get it. This one is really heavy. So let's open it up. Now let's fit some fizzies in here.
So the fizzies come with red, yellow, and blue.
Is like purple, but it's actually red.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna do yellow.
What color juice are we gonna make first?
Yellow. Oh my gosh, the yellow's actually like fire.
It's fire?
Yeah. Let's put another one.
Let me see if I can see through the top. Okay, go ahead, put it back. Put it in. Our hands are all dirty from the previous experiment. So we're gonna make really yellow juice.
Whoa, it's still fizzing. It's absorbing. Whoa. Wait, I can see too. It's like rising up. When it's not heavy, it rises up. Well, it looks like fire. It looks like fire, Mom.
It does.
Mom, that was actually really cool.
Are we making lemonade for Dad?
Yeah. Daddy, do you actually like lemonade?
Love it.
I'm gonna make orange juice.
Not that kind though.
Pretend.
Oh yes, then I love it. It's the best in the world.
So we're gonna wait for this to fizz. Put it down. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now we're gonna do the next one. Okay, the big one. Let's do red and yellow. Oh no, it got wet already.
We're doing red and yellow.
Yeah.
Orange.
Sit over here. Sit over here. Sit over here.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Mixing them actually looks cool. Put them in.
Just 3 more.
That's fine.
Okay, 2, 1.
We have 60.
It looks like actually red.
They're still going?
It's
still
still
going?
absorbing. Oh my gosh, they're actually together.
Let's see if we could turn it orange. Is it turning orange finally?
I think. Let's let
Shake it up a little bit. Will it work if you shake it or no? Let's give it a few minutes and then
let's make green.
do slowly to see if we could get the green. Okay, what colors are we using to make green?
Green, yellow, and blue. And on top. Now let's a little. Ready, set. 1, 2, 3, go! Ding! Whoa! Whoa! Ah! Let's go a little bit to the left.
Ooh.
Whoa! I can fit this back. Let me just get up.
Hold on, let me see.
Let me just get. It's. Yes.
You going around? Okay, what color are we doing next?
Purple.
So tell everyone we're finally filming something outside.
That's too noisy.
It's so noisy out here out of all days. It's been very quiet, and today is not quiet at all. Ooh.
Here's my chance. Here's my chance to drink the Coke. No, drink it. Go. Let's shake it off. Shake it off.
I like that.
Just give it a shake.
You're gonna break your bench.
It's actually purple.
Ooh, it is. It's still fizzing too. So it's gonna even get darker.
It's gonna get
Okay, what color's the next color?
blue.
Careful. So we got yellow.
Or pour orange,
Oh,
green, and purple.
green and purple.
Blue.
And now we're gonna do blue. The blue always comes out really pretty, huh? You got all the blues.
I'm gonna actually bet 5 blues at once. Our plan didn't work.
Our plan didn't work. What are you talking about?
Where's my blue? Never mind.
That's alright, get another blue. Okay, let's see. Let's do the blue.
Let's do 3. Let's do 3.
Let's see how that turns out.
Hold on. Get it right here,
You
please.
want to see it right here? Okay, let's see. Right here.
Ready?
I can't see your hands in the way.
Okay,
you
1. Whoa. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Wow. Now let's just Oh, which one is your favorite? Ew, that has grease.
Has what?
It's grease. Red one.
Grease. It has food coloring all over it from your hands. And bath fizzies. Which one's your favorite?
Yellow.
Huh? You like the
Yellow.
yellow one? Hold on, what flavors did you make? What flavor is the green?
Mint.
Red.
Oh,
Well, orange, but turned red.
it's strawberry,
What about the blue?
blueberry,
Okay.
grape, lemonade. Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed my channel. If you want to watch another Fizzy Tub Juice Makayla's video, touch here. If you want to watch the second one, please click the bell button right there. Bye and thank you. And remember to like and subscribe. And say your too. Ah.